Today's featured truck slash SUV is a 1970 Chevrolet Suburban. And this one's a four-wheel drive, although on the side it says C/10, which would make it a half-ton two-wheel drive. And I couldn't find any information about the four-wheel drive as far as production numbers. I know on the two-wheel drive model, which is they made 11,332, but no production total for the four-wheel drive. And the four-wheel drive shows it as being a KS model, KS 10906, the two-wheel drive being a CS 10906. But I don't know if somebody added the four-wheel drive to this one later or replaced the emblem with a C emblem instead of a K. Really not sure on them. I'm not too familiar with them. But this was part of the generation that Chevy made from 1967 through 1972, the Chevy trucks, Blazers, Suburbans, and panel vans. But this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was different. It was a good looker. I managed to get a video of them driving in or driving out. I don't remember which one, but I'll have that at the beginning and the end of the video. But anyway, that's today's featured truck slash SUV of the day, a 1970 Chevrolet Suburban C10 four-wheel drive. And it has lockout hubs on it there. So it is a four-wheel drive, and I show the shifter in there for shifting it over to four-wheel drive. And it was a manual transmission. But I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.